Hi guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you if it's possible to remove Meta AI features from Facebook. So Meta AI is integrated deeply into Facebook's features like ad personalization and messenger suggestions. So you cannot fully remove Meta AI from Facebook, but you can limit its impact. And what you can do is you can limit how Meta AI personalizes ads based on your data. You can go to settings and privacy, then navigate to settings, navigate to ads, and then navigate to ads setting. And there you can limit how Meta AI personalizes ads based on your data. The second way to do this is facial recognition. If available, you can turn off facial recognition under settings, privacy, and face recognition. Now the third way to do this is Messenger AI suggestions. In Messenger, go to your profile settings and disable Messenger suggestions. So you cannot completely remove Meta AI, but you can control how much it affects your experience. So don't waste your time searching for ways to remove Meta AI from Facebook. What you can also do is directly uninstall Facebook if this is necessary. That's all you can do right now. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.